What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator, and I'm back with the weekly Dollar Tree Shop with Me.
Oh, I like this little one here.
Oh, I'm sorry. You don't need about him. I just saw it.
Okay, yeah. Look up. 10 of them. We have 4.
Oh, I'm going to need another one of these. Definitely.
Yeah.
Those are so cute. Wild and free. Good vibes only. Aw, look at these, love. That is so cute. Notes.
I think so. No.
All for love.
No.
And do what you love. I'm right here, honey. Ooh, this smells nice.
Yeah, and this guy cool.
Mulberry. Let me see.
And he goes in the dark. See, he goes in the dark.
Yeah, glow wheels. I think maybe just his wheels glow.
On his wheels go. Let's get it. Let's get him on.
I really like this one.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Lots of...
Can I check out toy area?
You can stay over there. What'd you find? Anything? What'd you find? Any good snacks?
Yes. These
Fruit slices.
Yeah.
11 ounces. I'll get them for you. Today is the day. I like that. Just a 60 sheet journal. Let's see what else do we have. You've got this. And make a plan. I haven't seen those really cute shaker stickers yet. These have beads in them. I'm seeing the same washi. Maybe this one is new. I don't know. Some of these look a little bit different. Does this look different from last time, Birdie? Some of these look a little new.
Yeah, a little.
Maybe that one. Oh, they have lots of Elmer's. Lots of Elmer's glue. These little tiny erasers are so cute. I think Target had some like this last year. And someone told me they had some cactus. They had some little cute cactus back here for like the classroom. Oh, you guys see it? See the little cactus? I think this is for like a classroom decor or something.
Yeah.
Oh, these are so cool. You guys used to do these when you were little.
Oh, yeah.
And Jamar too. Has the stickers inside. And the little work pages. These are fun. They have farm and numbers and what else? Uh-oh. Well, that's all I'm seeing, you guys. Farm and numbers. Oh, these are cute. Look like little Mickey balloons. I like this too. Raffia and sheer ribbon. That's really pretty. What are you going to show me now?
Tractor.
What? That's my first time ever seeing a tractor.
Yeah, me too.
A Matchbox tractor. You haven't gotten a tractor in a long time. But you can only pick one toy in here today.
Aww.
Only one.
Any toy? Any toy, Mama?
No, one car.
Oh.
This is really thick, this diamond wrap. So pretty. So pretty. And then they have lots of little paint sets here too.
Drop some more.
We're getting on the camera.
Glue sticks.
Oh, look at glue sticks.
Well, we have a lot of glue sticks at home. Still looking for those cactus stamps. I haven't seen them yet though. Birdie, did you see these? Lip balm cuties. Berry.
Bingo.
Mint.
Okay, I did one. I got that one time.
Cherry.
Okay.
And Fox Rocks Vanilla. Oh, these are so cute. So cute and tiny. So tiny. I'm really not seeing much new makeup though. Chunky lip in pink and red, mostly in pink and red. Ooh, I've been loving this. I have one of these and I really love it. And I love this one.
I have to go.
I'm considering getting another one of these. This is just such a good price.
Ready one.
Look, you guys, I found the cute new socks. Mustaches, fries, pretzels, and I even found the cactus. Yay! New Scootsie items. Pretty cute. Oh, and these are back, but they're selling them just one at a time now. I just wanted to come down the gift bag and party aisle because everything here is just so pretty. Oh, I remember these. These balloons are like water marble. Oh, they have some new balloons here. I think these might have confetti in them. They feel like they have confetti in them too. I used to always buy balloons here for you guys. Oh, look at these. Look at this big pack. This is a nice big pack. Assorted sizes. You get, oh, I don't know, 3 ounces of balloons. Let's look over here. Oh my gosh, everything is so neat and pretty over here. Aww, look you guys. The cute little organza ribbons. So pretty. Oh, Gator would like this one. Oh, look at this. Octopus. Whoops. Octopus. Rhino. Huh?
It's my beautiful Bucky Joe.
Bucky Joe. We've missed you so. Do you guys remember Birdy's friend, Bucky Joe?
He wants to be famous.
He does?
Can you guys just please say his name in the comments? Say hi, Bucky Joe.
Hi, Bucky Joe.
He'll be so happy. He wants to be famous.
Oh, I love that one up there. Hello, baby, with the hollow hello. It's so pretty. So pretty. And all the pretty tissue paper. Hip Hop Hooray, it's your birthday. These are so pretty. I think I was looking for this wrapping paper last year and I never found it, but I think it's so cute. I might have to get one of those. I remember I was looking for this one everywhere. Isn't this cute, Birdie? It's like kind of doodle and scribbled and cute. Monster trucks. Gator would love that. Maybe I should get one of those for Gator. Monster trucks. I don't think we get a whole lot of square footage on these though. I think maybe 20. Oh, 30, yeah, 20 square feet total. Well, hey you guys, I think that's about it for me. I hope you liked this week's walkthrough. I'm trying to be kind of quiet here in this new store because I really don't know if they're going to be giving me a hard time about filming or not. But anyways, I hope you guys liked it. There's just something so good about a new store, isn't there? There's so many things here in this new store. However, I didn't find the faux cactus or the cactus stamps. Those have been on my list. But all right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thanks again. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.